since they declare the state of Biafra USB, a lot of things are going on social media, and that is what I want to say right now. Edo people they talk say why then they involved in this Biafra, that they are not Biafrans. Akwa Ibom people they talk the same thing. Even Calabas and other tribes will not be these 5 states, Anambra, Enugu, Ebonyi, Abia and Imo states. They no complain. But others are complaining, saying that they are not Biafra. But my question be say, why on a God people wey no don't need you? I know that most of you will not like this message, but I don't care. My own is for me to say the truth. I see how many Edo people do video say Edo can never be Biafra. Edo will never be Biafra. Edo can never be. They are insulting Biafrans. They're saying that Biafra, giving them a very big insult. Why do you people carry us push for Biafra? They are not Biafrans. And some part in Delta states, other tribes said we are not Biafra. Some people from Rivers State, Akwa Ibom, Bayelsa, Delta State, they are saying that why Igbos are calling them they are the part of Biafra is that because they have seaport and oil. Oil is the main thing that Igbos are looking for Niger Delta. But let me tell you people something. Igbos survive in Nigeria without oil. The people that are eating oil money are not Igbos. Igbos are survived by what they are work with their hand. So you people that are thinking that Igbos are calling Niger Delta because of their oil, no. Igbos survive without oil. Go and check the people that have oil well in Niger Delta. Go and check it. So I know that Britain has scattered this country. But what I want to say is that if these people said that they are not among Biafra, then why are you people calling them? They don't need you. Edo people say they are not among Biafra. Why are you calling them? If they do referendum right now, not only these 5 states go win, Anambra, Imo, Abia, Enugu, Ebonyi state, not only these 5 states will vote for Biafra. Edo will not vote for Biafra. Akwa Ibom and all these Calabas and Bayelsa and all, they will not vote for Biafra. They are saying that they are not Biafra. Why are you people calling them? Forget about old map. When I talk say, look at this old map. Rivers State, all of us, we are one before. If they don't need us, leave them. I don't know what is happening some of my Igbos brothers and sisters. If they say they are not Igbos, leave them, let them there on their own. Let them there for Nigeria where they there. Igbos survive without oil money. The oil where they for their land, no they feed Igbo. Igbos survive without oil money. After Biafra war, how much did they give all the Igbos? I think 20 pounds. 20 pounds. From that 20 pounds, look at how Igbos are. And Igbos is one of the richest people in Nigeria now. It's one of the richest tribes in Nigeria. God still bless them. Upon them, slaughter them, millions of them. Slaughter them. After they slaughter them, they seize all their money. After they seize all their money, they give all the billionaires and all the rich people that have money, they give them only 20 pounds, seize all their money. After everything, God still lift them higher. Igbo is on top in this country. So some of those people, they are envy and jealousy for the Igbos. But I'm telling my brothers, my sisters, Igbos brothers, make una know they call these people who don't need you people. Make una know they call them. They say they don't need Biafra. They love Nigeria. Let them stay in Nigeria. You people should stop calling them. Calling them. Why are you people calling them? During the Biafran war, do they help you? Those people that you are calling now, during the Biafran war, do they come and help you? They don't help you. What help, what benefit will you gain to calling people that they don't need you? What benefit will you gain? Then they talk saying oil waiting for their land. That is why Igbos are looking. No, we are survive without oil money. Oil there from Igbo land. Why are we disgracing ourselves like this? When they bring old map, they say these people, we are one before. Forget about that old map. If they say they don't need you, or go your own. Marriage is not by force. Marriage is not by force. If you tell somebody that you want to marry the person and the person refuses, leave and go find another person. My own, I prefer these 5 states. Anambra, Enugu, Ebonyi, Abia and the Imo State. These 5 states, I prefer it. I'm telling you the truth. I don't understand what is happening to our Igbo's brothers and sisters. When I remember what happened to Delta State. Delta State here, during the Biafra War, when Nigerian soldiers came to their state, they are shouting one Nigeria, one Nigeria, one Nigeria. And do you know what Nigerian soldiers said to them? Okay, make man, all the mans, make all the females go this side, make all the men go this side. Then divide them. Men and female, they divide them immediately. They open fire, slaughter all the men, all of them, slaughter them. Go and read the history of what happened during the Biafra War. They are shouting one Nigeria because they believe they are not Biafra. Even during that Biafra War, if I post this video here, it will bring copyright. They go to YouTube, you watch the video. Go to YouTube, type River State protests during the Biafra War. You see in London, Igbos are protesting against what is happening, genocide that is happening in Igbo land, how they are slaughtering Igbos. And the River State people, they do protests against Igbos. During the Biafra War, I'm telling you what happened. Go, you will watch the video. They are doing protests in London against the Igbos during the Biafra War. And later, some of Igbo property in their land, they seize them. Now, you are going that place telling them they are among us. And they are telling you, we are not Biafra. Why are you forcing them? Why are you forcing them? They don't need you. We have survived without oil money. Even this sit at home where they are doing in the east, Anambra, Enugu, Ebonyi, Abia and Imo State, these 5 states, they sit at home they are doing because of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. They want the Nigeria government to release Mazen Nnamdi Kanu before they will stop that sit at home one day. That is what is happening in the east. Now, Delta people know they do sit at home. Edo people know they do Akwa Ibom people and all these tribes, they are not doing it to show you that they are not part of Biafra. They don't want to join Biafrans. Why are you people forcing them? Leave them. I know so most of you don't go like what I talk, but I don't care. My own is to say the truth. Do the Biafra war, do they help you? Why are you bringing them? Leave them. They love Nigeria. Let them stay in Nigeria. If God give us Biafra, make we stay on our own. There are some countries in this world that even these 5 states is even bigger than them. I have said it before. Israel, how many people there for Israel? But Israel are checking the world. Most of you people are telling me I should go and search for the old map. My brother, the old map, these people don't need your old map. They don't need old map. No matter we are one before Britain come scatter everything. They don't need you. Say they don't need you. Leave them. That is my own. So it's the time that all the Igbos will join hands together to develop their 5 states. Edo people, I know hate them. I love them. Akwa Ibom people, I know hate them. I love them. Even Delta and Calabar and Bayelsa, all of them, I know hate them. I love them. That they say that they are not Biafra will not make me to hate them. No matter I'm Igbo, but I will not hate them because they say that they are not among Biafrans. I will not hate them. But I'm telling you people the truth. If they say they are not among Biafra, make gonna leave them. Because if they put referendum, they will vote against Biafra. And that referendum, we may fail it. Leave them.